Hello everyone, today we're going to be making some display bookmarks to put on our Etsy store. We've already mixed our 2-part resin and added our mica powder color. This purple color is in the color lilac. I'll have it linked in the description along with the bronze flakes and all the other things that we will use in this video. I'm just pouring the two colors together. They don't have to be evenly distributed. It just depends on how you want it to look. These two colors are silver flakes and red chunky glitter. Now for this one, I just did gold flakes for the entire bookmark. I couldn't find any other colors that I like to go with the gold, so I just did the entire gold flakes. Now that we've left them cure for 24 hours, we can demold them. Usually thinner pieces take longer to cure, but I work in a warm shed, so it works out fine for me. Sometimes it could take weeks for thinner pieces to cure. Now you can leave them like that, or you can add your permanent vinyl if you want, and your tassel, and then they come out looking like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments.